Hey guys, today we're going to be making some chicken adobo. I'm going to keep the recipe extremely simple and easy to follow, so let's make it together because look how delicious that looks. So let's go. I start off by adding half cup of soy sauce to my already clean chicken. Today I'm going to be using chicken thighs and chicken breasts. I personally like chicken thighs, but my mom will only eat chicken breasts, so I'm going to be using a mixture of both. Then I'm going to be going in and adding garlic powder, onion powder, and all-purpose seasoning. All the recipes that I looked at, nobody used powdered seasoning, but the Jamaican in me had to. I had to add a little bit of my own seasonings. And then once I added my powdered seasonings, I'm going to go in with a third cup of brown sugar, about 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorn. I'm also going to be adding bay leaves, garlic, and 1/4 cup of white vinegar. I'm then going to mix that all together, ensuring that all my pieces of chicken are evenly coated. I'm going to saran wrap that and then put that in the refrigerator to marinate for about 30 to 40 minutes. While that is marinating, I'm just going to take the time now to just prepare my rice. That way I'm not just sitting around waiting for my chicken to marinate. Once our chicken is marinated, we're going to go ahead and brown our chicken. To brown our chicken, we're going to go ahead and add some oil to a pot, allow the oil to heat up, and then we're going to let that fry on both sides, allowing our chicken to be nice and brown. Don't worry at this step, you don't have to worry about your chicken cooking all the way through because we're going to add it back to the pot and allow it to cook down. So we're going to go ahead, add our chicken in and allow it to brown on both sides, and then we're going to remove it from the pot and rinse and repeat with the rest of your chicken. Once all your chicken is nice and brown, we're going to remove all the pieces of chicken from our pot. Ignore how dark the bottom of the pot right now. That's all the soy sauce being stuck. But once we add our sauce and our water, all that is going to come loose, and that just adds extra flavor. So once we remove all our pieces of chicken, I'm going to saute my onion. I also added a Scotch bonnet pepper because, again, I'm so sorry, I'm Jamaican. I love my food a bit spicy. So I'm going to add my onion and my Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm going to saute that down for about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to re-add all my pieces of chicken to the pot, and I'm just going to let that saute for about 2 minutes before adding that sauce that we made to marinate our chicken in. Once we add that sauce, I'm just going to cover my pot and let that cook down in that sauce for about 10 minutes before adding any additional liquid. So I'm going to let that cook down for 10 minutes. Once that 10 minutes has passed, I'm going to add about 1 cup of water into that sauce. I'm going to cover my pot and allow that to cook down for 30 minutes. If you need more water, go ahead and add. I found that about 1.5 cups in total was added to mine, and that was enough for me. So I'm going to add my 1.5 cups of water eventually throughout the cooking process, and then I'm just going to let that cook down on a medium heat for 30 minutes. Once that 30 minutes is passed, the chicken is ready to be served. Honestly, this is one of my favorite dishes that I've tried. I've never made adobo chicken adobo, chicken adobo before, and honestly it's my first time making it, and I will be making it again. So I really do hope you guys enjoy this recipe. Honestly, 10 out of 10. But until next time, guys, bye.